Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. So the first method to take the screenshot in this device, just tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. Simply you can see the screenshot is captured. This is the first method. Just tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. You can see the screenshot is captured. So the next method to take the screenshot in this device, using the accessibility menu, you can take the screenshot. For this we need to enable the accessibility menu. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option accessibility, scroll down. Here you can see the option accessibility, then tap on the option installed services, tap on this one, then tap on the option accessibility menu, then turn on this option, tap on allow. Then got it. Now at the bottom right tab you can see this is the accessibility menu. If we tap on this accessibility menu, you can see lots of options. Then tap on the next menu, then tap on the option screenshot. Just tap on it. Now you can see simply the screenshot is captured using the accessibility menu. Just tap on the option accessibility menu, tap on screenshot. Right. So the next method, using the assistant menu, you can take the screenshot. For this we need to again enable the assistant menu. For this again go to settings and tap on the option accessibility, then tap on the option interaction and dexterity, then tap on the option assistant menu. Turn on this option. Okay. Then you can see this is the assistant menu. Tap on this option, then tap on the option screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. Okay, this is the next method, using the assistant menu. Tap on the option assistant menu, tap on the option screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. And the next method to take the screenshot, this method is only applicable on the games. Just open any games that you installed in your device. So here I am going to open this game. Okay, after open the game, you can see one new option on the bottom left tab. I'll show you. Then tap on this option. Now here you can see the option screenshot. Just tap on this one. You can see the screenshot is captured. Okay. This will applicable only on the games that you installed in your device. Tap on this option. Then tap on the option screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. So in these methods you can take the screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.